Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of web technology, I will discuss new topic, new unit 2 in web tech with the topics web page, website and category of websites. Okay, web page. First topic is web page. So we must know web page is a simple page which we make in a web designing language like HTML, hypertext markup language. Same is written over here. The web page refers to nothing more than a worldwide web document. Okay, web page is a www means World Wide Web document. A web page is a document written in a HTML hypertext markup language form. It is used to build a website. Web pages are used to build a website. Okay. Similarly, website. A website is simply a collection of interlinked web pages. Same is written over here. Website is collection of web pages. You can write website is a collection of websites. Website is a collection of interlinked web pages. Means we can link all the web pages using hyperlink. In anchor tag, I have told you in HTML by hyperlinking using anchor tag. You can make website by interconnecting all the web pages. Web pages need not be related. By its very nature, web pages it's possible to link any number of items including other web pages. For example, a page might have links to other pages containing photographic, basketball, cartoons or just about anything else. Okay, website is collection of, just remember website is collection of web pages or interlinked web pages using hyperlinking. Next, category of websites. These websites could be classified into two categories as individual websites and corporate websites. As for the application and scope of web project, we need to have both of them. Okay, individual means for one and single person. Corporate website means for all the persons, for all the public. In corporate type website, there are certain number of persons. Okay, number of persons who develop their website for a particular organization. The corporate websites are formed when the group of people have common interest and objective for which they come together and then make use of website. What is corporate website? Means many numbers of people who develop a website for a particular organization. The people who have developed a common group with same interest and objective. Okay, the purpose of this type of website is to convey the information of organization to all over the world. Next, individual website is just like profile management system. In this type of website, an individual means single person wants to develop website for any reason like H reason, career growth, projection, career growth, etc. Satisfying his personal interest means if you are making website for your personal interest, it's individual website. If you are making website in a group with common objective of all the people, then it is corporate website. Okay, so here I have discussed web page, website and category of websites. It is unit 2, first topic. Okay, first and second topic I have discussed. Two topics I have discussed. Learn them. These are important and basic, very basic topics. You can easily write in your exam. Thanks for listening. Next I will discuss in other videos.